Welcome to the first lecture on this course on theory of computation. Theory of computation is the branch which deals with how efficiently the problem can be solved on model of computation using an algorithm. So, problem, model of computation and algorithm. The field is divided into three major branches, that is automata theory and languages, computability theory and computational complexity theory. It basically allows us to understand how machines solve problems. Automata theory, it is the study of abstract machines which are called as automata and computational problems that can be solved using these machines. So it is about abstract machines and use of these abstract machines to solve the computational problems. So, automata theory, it basically means that something is doing something by itself. So, according to the automata theory, there are four types of abstract machines: the Turing machine, linear bounded automata or LBA, then push down automata, and the finite state automata. So these are the four automatas which we'll be studying, and for every automata, the problem or the computational problem which is solved, it represents a particular language, and as there is a language, there will also be a grammar. So for every automata, there is language associated with it and there is grammar associated with it. So the grammar or the language, it basically follows a hierarchy which is called as Chomsky hierarchy. So the outermost is the recursively enumerable language, subset of that is the context sensitive language, subset of that is the context free language, and subset of that is the regular language. Introduction of these four automatas. So this finite state automata, it was invented, or it was basically, the theory was presented by Warren McCulloch and Pitts in 1943, and the Moore and Millet machines were introduced by the George Millet and Edward Moore, these two scientists. Pushdown automata was introduced by Neville in 1959. The LBA was introduced in 1960 by John Myhill, and Turing machine, it was introduced by Alan Turing in the year 1936. So the this table which was basically listing all the automatas. So we listed Turing machine first, then LBA, and then pushdown automata, and after that comes the finite state automata. But according to the year of invention, first Turing machine was invented by Alan Turing, and then comes the finite state automata, then comes the pushdown automata, and then comes the LBA. So FA, finite state automata, in the year 1943, pushdown automata in the year 1959, LBA in the year 1960, and Turing machine in the year 1936. So computability theory. We discussed the automata theory. Computability theory deals with primarily the questions of extent to which problem is solvable. Complexity theory considers not only whether a problem can be solved, but how efficiently the problem can be solved. So the two aspects of the complexity are time complexity and space complexity. The syllabus for this course, there are total 6 units. Unit 1 is finite automata. Unit 2 is the language of finite automata. Unit 3 is the language of pushdown automata, and then comes the pushdown automata. Then the Turing machine and the language of Turing machine is discussed in this unit number 5. Unit number 6 is about computability theory, and computational complexity theory. So we'll be discussing 3 automata out of the 4. We don't have linear bound automata in this syllabus, or the scope of this syllabus is not discussing the linear bound automata. Thank you.